with a working model of Pythagoras theorem. It is upon the development of the society with basic mathematics theorem. Maths, or if you don't like maths, it may not be your fault. It may be the fault of the teacher. It might not teaching in a proper manner or in an interesting way. You can have a learn of mathematics in an interesting way by such as here we are present with a working model of the Pythagoras theorem. It states that how Pythagoras theorem is used in our day-to-day life. In modern era, the Pythagoras theorem have many uses, such as it is used in navigational work, such as to measure the distance when the aircraft is from 400 miles north and 300 miles west. We can use it for calculate the angle or degree that aircraft has to move to go to his distance. And it is also used in surveying of the regions such as terrain regions. The cartographer used this theorem this Pythagoras theorem to make a proper map of a terrain region. It is also used in fixing the tiles in houses, such as the workers or carpenter measures the hypotenuse, length and the height of a right angle triangle and fix in a proper manner in a home. And this model also states some of the application of the trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric might be a boring part in our mathematics, but trigonometry has also many uses in our day-to-day life, such as trigonometric ratios or applications are also used in navigation, measuring height of the tall buildings, mountains, and it is also used in calculating an angle of the ground set in prime area. Trigonometric applications are also used nowadays, and it is also used in programming of the different types of video games. Now you can tell me.
Mathematics is not about the equations, numbers or algorithm. It is just about the simple understanding in which way we are understanding it. It depends upon us. Before 200 years ago, one of the greatest scientists had measured the circumference of the whole earth with these basic concepts of math, which is amazing.
Let's again come to our model. By this we can have a measure of the hypotenuse. By this we can have a measure of the hypotenuse. If you take the base as 12 and the height as 9, then what will be the hypotenuse? It is the question. Then the hypotenuse will be the 12 square is 144 and the 9 square is 81. It will be 225 and the hypotenuse is the square root of this sum. Hypotenuse will be 15. And by this we can also calculate some of the application of the trigonometry. Application of the trigonometry is like that. We can calculate the tan 45. That we know that tan 45 is 1 degree. Tan 45 is 1 degree. If we will take the base as 16 and the angle as 45, then in the above bar we can also see that the height is also 15. By this we can conclude that it states a proper and measurement of some of the trigonometric applications. Thank you.